Hello everyone, I'm going to cook this frozen veggies. You see the pot is empty. Okay. Right, can you see I'm cooking without water? This pot allows me to cook vegetables without water, because when you cook vegetables with water, at the end of the cooking you can see the colors of the veggies in your water, meaning that your vitamins and your minerals are all just gone. They've gone into the water, through the water, and when you pour it in your sink and then you eat the veggies just like that, and at the end you realize that it doesn't taste well, and then you end up adding salt to it. When you do that, you've lost all the nutrients. Okay, when food or vegetables doesn't taste well, it means you've lost the vitamins. That's it. It's the vitamins and the minerals that makes food taste well and natural, not the additives, not the salt and the preservatives that you put in it, but the way you cook it makes it retain its nutrients. And this is how this pot allows you to cook. It helps you to maintain nutrients in your cooking. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm cooking without water. In 5 to 10 minutes it will be ready, and you will see how it tastes. This is frozen. I'm going to add dry one. I'm going to add cabbage to it, and you will see cabbage, fresh cabbage. So I can cook both frozen and unfrozen vegetables. This is the only cookware on the market that can allow you to cook, your food in a very healthy way. If you want to try this product, if you want to invest into this product, to promote your health, give me a shout on 0794 735 6362. Lady P. Cheers. All right then. I'm going to add cabbage. This is fresh cabbage. It's not frozen. White cabbage. And this is the red cabbage. Yeah. Okay. Remember, this is frozen. And these are fresh. So this is the only cookware on the market that will allow you to cook both frozen veggies and non-frozen veggies at the same time. They will all cook at the same time. All right, fantastic. I can also put in egg. There's no water here. Can you see? There's no water on the pan. No water. No water. Can you see? No water. I'm going to put the egg in there as well. And I'm going to cook this. You see how clever this cookware is. How healthy and clever this pot is designed. The inside is made with stainless steel titanium, surgical steel titanium. This is the type of titanium, or surgical steel, a metal they put in the human body as implant, because it does not corrode into the human body. It can stay in the human body for a very long time until the person dies. Yeah. So this is the same metal which has been used to cook this. To prepare this, to design this pot. All right, so that you can cook without adding water to your food. Excuse me. Just example, when you add lemon, you chop lemons and add into your water, add that overnight, or few hours, you realize that the water extracts the properties of the lemon inside the water. And when you drink the water, you taste the lemon in. Or when you put, let's say you put you put cucumber in your water, you do what fruit infusing, or you put any fruit or vegetables in your water bottle, you leave it overnight or during the day, and you be sipping it. You see what happens. The water extracts the nutrients from the water, from the veggies or from the fruit. As you drink it, it hydrates you. This is the same thing. When you cook with water, the water extracts the water extracts the minerals and the vitamins from the vegetables. And then you see it in the color of the water. And at the end, we pour the water away. When we do that, we are losing all the nutrients, losing all the minerals and vitamins in it. So this cookware is designed for you to maintain your nutrients in your cooking. It's a fantastic, health investment that you can ever give to yourself and your family. So I recommend that to you. Give me a shout. I can come to your home and do a presentation for you so that you can also invest into this cookware, or we can do it online. But if you want to taste the food, I can come into your home, cook a similar food or your favorite food for you to taste and see. To your health, stay blessed. Invest into your health. Speak to the health coach, Lady P, on 0794 735 6362. Please forgive me. I'm in the kitchen and my washing machine is making the noise. But hey, man, invest into your health. Love you. Stay blessed. Okay, guys. Now it's time for revealing. This is the moment. The moment has arrived. Let's check. Voila! Look at how colorful my veggies are looking. Look, you can see it's ready. Let me just use my hand. Look, bingo! It's ready and juicy. Can you see? And look at that. Cabbage, look, ready. Oh my word. Let's try this one. Look, ready. Very nice. Remember, I didn't add any salt. So if you are somebody that has high blood pressure, you are a diabetic person, you got cholesterol, or generally you want to reduce salt in your cooking, this is the best way to cook. Let's look at the egg. Fantastic. Can you see? No water. Look, can you see? This egg is fully cooked. Now I'm going to turn my stove off. It's on 0 now. Look, everything is cooked. Can you see? No water. It's cooked nicely. It's cooked nicely. This is cooked nicely. All right. I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to enjoy it with my spaghetti. Meanwhile, my spaghetti is cooking. All right. And my beef stew is also cooking nicely in the same cookware. Oh my goodness. Thank God. It's been about 6 years that we invested into this cookware. For myself, my husband, and my family. Oh my goodness. It has improved our health. Undoubtedly, it has improved our health. I recommend it to you. Why wait? Health is wealth. Your body, you have to take care of your body, because your body will take you to wherever you go to. Take care of your health and that of your family. All right, God has granted us long life, 70 years plus, but you have to take care of that health. Take care of your health. Invest into your health. All the working and making money, and then you just planning to invest it into something else. Buildings, taking money to people in Africa. Well, yes, do it. Give to charity, give to your church and all that. But take care of yourself, your health, and the health of your children. I recommend this cookware to you. Please, 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 if you love your health, give me a call, give me a shout, and I'll come and do the presentation for you. Cheers. This is Lady P. Health education. Cheers. Guys, now I'm going to serve my food. This is a spaghetti with a beef stew and minced veggies cooked without water. You can see. Right, I'm going to add the cabbage. Yeah. Adding the cabbage to it. I'm going to add some red cabbage as well. When you cook it, then it goes purple. I love it. Cabbage is good for weight loss or weight management. So guys, this is my food. This is my dinner. Look at that, colorful. Rainbow food. You see, you need to eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Rainbow color. I'll have the egg later because this is protein. This beef is protein. I'm not going to add them together. So I'm going to eat this, then wait about an hour later or two. Then I can have the egg on its own. Let me take more veggies. Fantastic. And I'm going to sprinkle olive oil on the veggies. Fantastic. And not just that, I'm going to add chia seed. Chia seed is full of fiber. It's full of fiber. It aids on weight loss and weight management. It's a fantastic superfood. I'm also going to add omega mix with pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, flax seeds, and sesame seeds. There you go. You can have them individually packed, but I like to mix them. Put a bit. Can you see? So you know what I'm doing? I'm making my food very balanced. You know, eating protein and seeds and vegetables. Amazing. If you can eat your food, you know, this way, you can always prepare your food and eat this quality like a queen, like a king, eating food quality like that, full of nutrients, nutrient dense, nutritious food. I tell you what, you're going to be very healthy, very, very healthy. You know, very, very healthy. Even your old age, you're going to be very healthy because this is full of omega-3, omega-5, omega-6, omega-7, omega-9. All these sesame seeds, all these mix has their omega mix. You know, omega is good for menopause. It's good for collagen building. It's good for heart health. It's good for vision health. It's good for bone health. It's good for dental health. It's good for skin health. It's good for your body. Right? Add more omega to your food, even though if you are taking the capsules. To your health, stay blessed. Speak to the health coach, Lady P, on 0794-735-6362. And then go to my YouTube, Trinity Health and Beauty channel, Trinity Health and Beauty TV. Trinity Health and Beauty TV. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Support your Black woman in business. To your health, stay blessed. Okay, guys, now I'm going to get the egg out and let's see whether it's really cooked or not. Today, you're going to see for yourself how you can cook egg without water. Okay, I'm sure when I put the egg in, some of you were wondering, how possible? Yes, this is it. This is egg cooked without water. And you know, egg shell has pores. So when you cook without water, it retains the nutrient. It makes it taste very nice. But when you cook with water, I tell you what, though it's got shell, but yes, the water just seep into it. Somehow, I've noticed that when I cooked my egg in water, the taste is different from when I cook it, you know, without water. It tastes very nice without water. Can you see? Can you see? This is egg. This is how God created egg. To be eaten or to be cooked and eat without water. Guys, you've seen for yourself. You've seen for yourself. No doubt, nothing. So give a shout to Lady P, the health coach, to come into your home and do a demonstration for you. So you can just invest into this cookware. It's amazing. It's amazing. Amazing. To your health, stay blessed.